In this video tutorial, we will show you how to make Excel cells bigger. In order to make an Excel cell bigger, open the Microsoft Excel. You can make a cell bigger by dragging the borders. Or you can right-click on the row border and choose Row Height. The same way, right-click on the column border and choose Column Width. To change a few rows at once, select them. Right-click on the row borders and choose Row Height. Select the row height and press OK. If you want to adjust a few columns, select them. Right-click on the column borders and choose Column Height. Select the column width and press OK. You can also edit the whole spreadsheet by pressing Ctrl-A. Right-click on the column border to select column width. Right-click on the row border to select row height.